Hey everyone, this is Jackie from Strength Therapy, and today I am going to help you make better decisions. Yeah, I know a lot of people are like, what do you mean by better decisions? Well, so many people I know have trouble making decisions, and they're deciding on, this or that, A or B, chocolate, vanilla, whatever it is, and they're spending so much of this mental space and mental energy trying to weigh the pros and the cons of everything that it drains them, right? And so I have a way that I've been using for, I don't even know how long, but this is just one of the ways that I live my life now, and I love it. It's great. It simplifies everything and helps me make better decisions that are basically suited for my higher good, right? I call it happy, better, both. Now, it's very simple. We've got happy, we've got better, and we got both. The basis of it is that we want our decisions to be able to answer a yes to either happy or better, or hopefully both, right? So for example, ice cream, right? I like ice cream. Who doesn't like ice cream? A lot of people like ice cream. It makes me happy. I love it. It's delicious, right? However, it doesn't really make me better, right? I mean, it makes me happy, but it doesn't make me better. You know what I mean? So those kind of things where it only fulfills one of these categories, so only happy or only better, you can still do them. That's great, do them. But don't do them all the time, do them moderately, right? Because if I have ice cream all the time, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just have ice cream all the time, delicious, delicious. Here's the thing, I'm gonna be one happy guy, a happy camper, but I'm gonna be a little worse off, right? So you wanna just kind of balance that out a little bit. Don't do too much of it, but still indulge. On the other side, if something makes you better but not happy, right? So for example, let's just say some people don't like going to school, right? Or like taking classes that they need to take in order to get their degree or whatever it is. They're just, I just gotta go through it, whatever. Or maybe it's like doing their accounting or something like that. I don't know, whatever it is. Does it make you better? Yes, right? So you should probably do it because it does make you better. If it doesn't make you happy, probably don't do it all the time, right? If doing your accounting makes you better because you're more aware of your finances and you know where your money's going and that kind of thing, but you hate doing them, you should probably still do them, but probably don't become an accountant, right? So that's kind of what I mean by that. If it's something that makes you better but not happy, do it still, but do it with moderation. Same thing if something makes you happy but not better, also still do it, but do it with moderation. Now, the gold part is if something does both, it makes you happy and better, right? Those things are key, they're golden, they're the best things, and you should fill your life with as many of those boths as possible, right? So that's this is the win-win right here. If you have something that doesn't answer yes to any of these here, right? Whatever it is, it doesn't make you happy, it doesn't make you better, obviously it doesn't make you both, right? The easy solution here, it's a no-brainer, just don't do it. You have that choice too. You don't have to do it. You can just say no, right? So happy, better, both. If it fits one of those categories, do it. If it only fits one of these two categories, then you do it with moderation. If it fits this category right here, the both, do as much of it as you possibly can because that's really awesome for you. And then if it doesn't fit any of the categories, just don't do it. Do something else that will make you happy, better, both, right? So I hope this helps with probably some mental stress and decision making and improving some quality of lives. Enjoy.